Easter to everyone, or Sunday if you don't celebrate Easter. We're doing turkey today on Cooking with Jon.
Fire in the hole, fire in the hole.
Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a pixel truck for you, but she's not a shit truck. So we're doing a roasted turkey today, as I said, guys. This is going to be a lemon, garlic, and herb roasted turkey. I think it looked good. The recipe is courtesy of Cafe Delights. So we're going to do our garlic butter first. I melted the butter up. We got a little bit of thyme there, about a couple teaspoons, and 4 teaspoons of garlic in there. With some salts. Some fresh ground pepper, and that's our garlic butter, guys. So now we're going to set up our roasting pan. It tells us to put a lemon slice in there, 4 sprigs of thyme. That might have been 5. And 3 half cloves of garlic in the bottom of the pan, along with 4 sprigs of rosemary and 1/4 cup of olive oil. So now we're going to baste our bird in the garlic butter. It says to get it all over the skin and under the skin and everything else. Okay, counter all there. Now it tells us to stuff another slice of lemon and the rest of the garlic in the cavity of the bird. And to squeeze the additional lemon over top. Oops. Alright. We're going to put that breast down in the pan and roast for a half hour for a smaller bird, 45 minutes for a larger bird. 390. We're going to roast that in the bottom rack again. So now we're going to try and flip the bird over. So it works out for me. It says it's going to be hot. It's been in the oven, so I believe it. That was fairly successful. So I lied, guys. Now we're going to slather in the rest of our butter and then pop her back in. We're going to baste it after an hour and after another half hour. Now, back into the oven. Alright guys, our turkey is out. It is looking awesome. Take a look at it. I know I got a bit cut off that side, so we looked at the good side, you know. But it looks pretty damn good. Nice and crispy skin. Never done a turkey this way before. Mine always involved poultry seasoning and whatnot. I've never done one this way, so hey, what the hell? Might as well try a different turkey recipe. Let's try a bit of this turkey here. See what you think of it. See how moist it is or not. Let's try the crispy skin. Yeah, good turkey. Very nice. A little lemony there, garlic. Good. Good recipe. Anyway, guys, come on over, take a look, take the time. It is Sunday the 12th, Easter Sunday, at 5:50 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores, Ontario. Anyway, if you like to see you guys, don't forget to throw those thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see me cook in the future, just throw the comments. Anyway, see you next time. Bye for now.